Hi there, my name is Paul Brouillette. I'm with LAER Realty Partners. Thank you very much for tuning into the video blog today. I appreciate it. I want to share a few thoughts today about why buyers can benefit from hiring a very highly skilled, talented local real estate professional and engaging in a buyer agency representation contract. Number one, when a buyer is looking to make a purchase on a home and they shop at open houses, most of the agents that are appearing at open houses tend to be either listing agents or representatives of the seller. What that means is automatically those agents have a fiduciary obligation to get the highest and best price for the seller, and they're not obligated to represent the buyer and the buyer's interest. That's number one. Number two, whenever a buyer is looking in an area for a new home, for the most part, there are many changing variables in either mortgages, rates, prices, values, etc. in that environment. And when a buyer agrees to work exclusively with the buyer agent can take a period of anywhere from 30 days to 3 months to help the buyer actually become educated as to what the values are in that area and what all of the pitfalls are to look out for, and not end up buying the wrong home or buying a home that may have issues that could be preclusive to a happy ending. So if you have any questions about buyer agency contracts, or if you have any interest in finding out more, feel free to reach us at www.homesarus.com, or you can reach us at the number on the screen. My name is Paul Brouillette. I'm with LAER Realty Partners. Remember, there's no place like home. Thanks for tuning in, and we will see you next time.